Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you a Pogo house because this is a Pogo house. I just made this by my own. I swear. Okay. I made a tissue by using there. So cool. Next. Okay, this clearer and smaller too. Here, I just need it here. And the door. Also. Okay, see. Okay. So this is her movie. I take her icon. Okay. So this is her knife when she grows up. Let me just cut this. Sorry for the long wait. I'm just gonna. And then I made her a knife so she can defeat bullies. I forgot. Her unan here. Isa pang wala. Or eraser. Done. That's right. Okay. Anyways, wait. What next to get? Okay. Yeah, that's right. So, like and subscribe if you like this. Okay, guys, bye.